Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to repair Microsoft Store on Windows 11. First, try using the built-in reset tool. Press the Windows key and R at the same time. This opens the Run dialog. Type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will open. The window will close automatically, and the Microsoft Store should open. If the store opens, but still does not work properly, you can try repairing or resetting it. Open Settings. Go to Apps and then Installed Apps. In newer Windows 11 updates, this might be under System and then System Components. Find Microsoft Store in the list. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. First, click Repair. This tries to fix the store without deleting your data. If that does not solve the problem, click Reset. This will remove the app's data and restore it to default settings. Sometimes the Microsoft Store does not work because some background services are stopped. Press the Windows key and type Services. Open the Services app from the search result. Find Microsoft Store Install Service in the list. Right-click it. If it is stopped, click Start. If it is already running, click Restart. After these steps, your Microsoft Store should work normally. Thanks for watching.